Hey curl friends! I'm here with my little Autumn Love, and today we're going to be doing a protective style on her hair. It's going to last at least a month, but this is the prep that we do prior. I want to make sure that her hair is nicely washed and conditioned and ready to go and ready to take on whatever style that I do for the next month. So the products we're going to use today is from CocoPie Curls. It's going to be the lemongrass and avocado line of clarifying shampoo and deep conditioner. It's really good moisture to their hair. It's a really good start for the protective style. So let's get started. Her hair is already wet. I already rinsed out the gel and the edge control that was in her hair. So now I'm just going to shampoo it. Then I'm going to add the conditioner and leave it on for about 30 minutes, maybe like one episode of something while I finish straightening up the kitchen or whatever. Then I'm gonna rinse it out, blow dry it, and we'll get started on the style. Okay? Okay, all done. Time to blow dry. Okay, so when I blow dry, I only use a leave-in conditioner. I like this one, the Jasmine and Rose with keratin protein. It's good for her strands. And I don't detangle sometimes before I wash if I don't have time. It's getting pretty late, so I have to do what I need to do and I need to get it done quickly. I'm going to use my trusty detangler brush from KareCo. I love this brush. I also have it in the adult size, but this is the cute little kid one that I use all the time for them. So I'm going to spray, brush, and then blow dry. Now time for the style. Okay, the main tools we're going to be using today is a rat tail comb, a regular brush, a comb, some clips, your everyday clips. I call it a banana clip. I don't know if that's exactly what it's called, but that's what I call it. And some hair ties that I still call scrunchies. Rubber bands. And that's basically it. We're gonna also be adding in hair extensions for her knotless braid style in the back, which is going to be this cute little expression low looks style. Basically, it's just shorter braiding hair for kids. I'm gonna use this because I want her style to last for at least a month, month and a half. So I don't have to touch her hair and she can just rest and let her hair relax and grow. So the first thing I'm gonna do is part the front of the hair, which is where the Bantu knots are gonna go. I'm gonna use the back of her ear as a guide. And I'm gonna go straight up. So now that you see the part, now that the part is done, I'm gonna go over the part using the edge control to make sure that my part is really, really neat. Now that part is looking even better. Now that I've finished parting the hair neatly, I'm going to put this top in a bun so that I can work on the back. We're going to save the Bantu knots for last. Okay, so I've added the beads to her hair. You can see that it weighs the braids down so the braids aren't sticking up like they were before. I made sure that the braids at the bottom were tapered so that it would be thin enough for the beads to go on easily. You see, because of the knotless, it can easily be put up in a ponytail already with no problem. It doesn't hurt her or anything. Now that it's done, we're going to work on the top. For the Bantu knots, I'm going to make 4 sections. One here, one here, one here, and one here. I'm going to be using rubber bands and comb and the edge control as well as the wax. So I make the parts using the natural line of her hair, how it comes in here. That's where I'm going to make my part. Just like that. And then I'm going to use the edge control to make sure that the part is neat.
lot of baby hair, so I need the edge control to make sure that it's as neat as my little perfectionist self can make it. That section with the clip, and we do the next section. Okay, now we have our 4 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna place a little bit of wax on it. It's kind of like my grease. Make sure that the hair stays conditioned. Brush that in. I'm going to add my edge control. Like so. And brush it in. Do a little swoop to it. Like so. And we never put the rubber bands on too tight. I always pull a little bit so that it's loose, so she doesn't get any tension bumps anywhere. If you're unfamiliar with Bantu knots, all you're doing is twisting the hair around itself. Like so. And then I will add another rubber band to secure it. Okay. And we have our Bantu knots right there, looking all beautiful. And we have 3 more to do. Add a little bit of pop.
Patrol.
We have the knotless braids in the back with the beads, and we have the Bantu knots in the front. So I hope that you are inspired by this style and that you try it yourself or on your little one. Let us know how it goes.
If you guys want to see some more hair videos, please subscribe to our channel.
Thanks for watching.
Bye!